Hello, Chef here. Cinnamon sticks. So you're wondering about cinnamon sticks. These are amazing. Bark of a special tree from Africa or Vietnam or other places. You get them and they're wound up like this, pretty tight. So to release the flavor from cinnamon, you have to bust them. Sometimes they're hard to bust. This one here looks like it's a little flexible. It's twisting, it's not breaking. So I'm going to use the knife. No! Never use the knife. Use the back or the heel of the knife like a hammer to simply crack the cinnamon. That'll release some flavor. Just like this. That's all I need right there. This amount of cinnamon will flavor a gallon of iced tea or 2 pounds of cinnamon raisin rolls or coffee cake. You name it, banana bread. So that's all you need right there. You can grate it if you want to, but you can infuse it too. So that's it for the day. I just wanted to share that cinnamon tip with you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Keep cooking. Smells so good. Have a great day. And that's it. Oh, the finished spinach right here. Spinach and tomatoes. Side dish. Thanks for watching. Support your sponsor. Have a great day and keep cooking.